Hello everyone and welcome back to another Universe Sandbox 2 video, and today we are doing another creating objects from your ideas video. So I think this is part 6 now. So yeah, this is going absolutely insane with the amount of ideas we are getting. So today we're going to be starting on the comments from episode 3. So we're still, I'm sorry guys, but we're still miles behind on comments. Like, there's just so many to get through, and like I said, I really want to get through all of them. So you're just going to have to bear with me while I slowly get through all of the ideas, because that is just too many to get done at once. So it has to be multiple parts. So yeah, please don't hate me, and yeah, if you place a comment and there's videos that come up that don't have your comment in it, it's probably because I haven't reached your comment yet. So yeah, please understand that. But anyways, one thing I wanted to show you, and also quickly before we get started, we're closing in on 2,300 subscribers now, so let's see if we can try and get that before the end of the week, because that will be awesome. So if you haven't already, consider subscribing. You won't regret it. So yeah, we're only 13 subscribers away right now, so let's see if we can try and get that soon, because that'd be cool. Anyways, like I said, I want to show you something, because I have updated my custom planet curator simulation. So if we go in here, I've gave it a complete relook. So as we can see, if I just, well, okay, you can do that. So if we just go in here, I've gave it a bit of an update. Go with no trails, I want that one. So yeah, as you can see here, I've actually got a dark brown object now. So this was originally a Pluto. So if you just look, if we turn that off, if you just look here, you can see that this bit here, or this bit here, sorry, this is a very, very dark brown. And the only way you can get an atmosphere like this is if you put a atmosphere on an object with a custom texture that isn't a rocky planet, and Mercury as well. I think that's the only one that has this. So if you put an atmosphere, so say if you got Jupiter, Saturn, so any of the gas giants, if you removed all the hydrogen and then re-added it, or not re-added it, added a normal atmosphere, sorry, it would give you this blacked out, like, dark brown atmosphere. And also the same with, like, the moon, Europa and all these moons here, like, they would give you this dark coloured atmosphere. Same with Pluto as well. So I've made a custom object for building new planets with. So we've now got a dark brown. So if you've got any requests for a dark brown colour, then yeah, leave them down below. And one thing I discovered as well, actually I'll get onto it in a sec. So yeah, I've done that, and this yeah, this one has a Pluto trail, because this was originally a Pluto. So when we place this in simulations, it will have a light brown sort of trail, which is pretty cool. And then the same thing with some of these objects here. The dark blue, this now has a blue trail, I believe. So yeah, so this should hopefully have a blue trail. So if we just go in here, I've actually organised the objects out. They're all at the bottom here. So dark blue, you can see it's now got a blue trail on it, which is pretty cool. So the same thing with the light blue as well. I actually used one of the objects from the previous video. So if you remember when we checked out the special solar system, I actually remember saving, or you guys remember, I saved one of the objects from that system. So it was, whereabouts is it? There's just so many objects here. It's really hard to find. Where is it? Dang it. Let me just search it. So it is, yeah, this one here. So Utura BS1. That I've actually made a light pink object of. So many thanks to yeah, the guy who made these objects, because now we got them in here. So yeah, this is pretty good stuff. Yeah, so yeah, many thanks for that. And some dumb gamer, yeah, Renat, thanks to you. So yeah, you made these objects, and I've also sneakily taken the special like light blue turquoise color for the light blue custom objects. And now we can get more objects with these cool modded sort of trails, which is pretty cool. Because yeah, from what he was saying in the comments, you can only get these trails by like changing stuff in like all the planet files and stuff. So pretty complicated stuff. Yeah, so actually I have a question for you as well. Can you make a planet with a like an actually green atmosphere? Because this one's like a turquoise color. Can you get an actual green atmosphere? Because that'd be really cool. And also a green gas giant. That's the only way that is possible. Just yeah, let me know. Yeah, so many thanks to you as well. So some dumb gamer, many thanks to them for sending that simulation in from last episode, because now we've got some updated coloured objects to make new objects out of, so that's going to be pretty cool. So yeah, this one's now got like a light blue trail. This one was originally Earth, so it already has an Earth blue trail. This one has dark blue. Yellow already has like a yellowy sort of trail. The orange one here, this, or not gold, the orange one, this one now has a, let's see here, if we just go down here, this one now has a orange trail, as you can see here, so there's that. Red one, same with you, red trail. And then the pink one already has a Mars trail. And then this one here, I made it into a white star. So now it's got a white sort of coloured trail, which is pretty cool. And then 2 new additions as well. We now have a Venus template to use. So I just called it cloudy. And then we've got a cloudy orange, because, yeah, I'm not very good with names. So, yeah, just name them that. So now, if you want objects based on Venus or Titan you want to suggest, then let them know down below. So, yeah, just tell me if you want a Titan atmosphere or a Venus atmosphere. Or if you want a light pink, because this is now known as light pink. So if you want this colour specifically, do not say pink, otherwise I'll think you mean this one, the normal pink. So yeah, please say light pink if you want this super like white light pink colour, because yeah, that's pretty cool. And then also if you want the dark brown, say dark brown as well. But anyways, yeah, let's get that out of the way. And one more thing I discovered when I made this object here, I didn't know this, I don't know how long it's been in the game for, but Titan, if we go in here and we remove the clouds, they've actually added a custom texture for Titan now. So I don't know how long this has been in the game, but there you go. Titan has now got an actual texture. So yeah, just an interesting fact if you didn't know that, because that is pretty cool. I really like that. Anyways, let's get started with the ideas. So if we go into the comments from episode 3 now. Yeah, this was, yeah, episode 3. So hopefully we can get through all these today. So we're going to start off with a, yeah, this one here. So name is Magnus, mass of 2.5 Earths, 85,000 kilometers in radius, atmosphere's 3 times Venus, so that's going to have a lot of ATM, I believe. Low surface color black, medium surface color dark grey, and then high surface yellow or light orange. The planet absorbs 78% of light, so that will make it, I now have to do some math actually. I think 22. Yeah, 22. It will have 22 albedo, if my math serves me correctly. So, what coloured atmosphere? It doesn't say what specific atmosphere colour. So, yeah, it just says atmosphere 3 Venuses. So that means 3 times Venus in ATM. So it's going to be a very, very hot planet, probably. So, okay, let's get that name copied as well while I'm here. So, let's got that. Okay, so, I guess I can pick a colour to use. So, what should we go for? Since it's going to be quite a hot object, let's go with like a, maybe, actually no, he did say a yellowy orange colour, so we'll go with the gold atmosphere for this. So I think that'll work good. So let's go ahead and paste the name in like that. There we go. And if you're wondering why I've got loads of underscores in front of the names, that is so they all, or all the objects will be at the bottom of my custom objects, so it's easier to find them like that. So yeah, nice and easy to access these now, since I did a bit of organising. So, right. Anyways, enough of me babbling on. Let's actually get into this. So, 2.5 Earths in mass. 2.5 Earths in mass. So let's go ahead and do that. So 2.5, like so. Okay, looking good. Okay, what have we got next? So 85,000 kilometers in radius. So let's go ahead and do that. So 85,000. Okay. Whoa. Okay, that's just eating up like every object here. So let's go ahead and put that back to 2.5. Okay, so 2.5, then it's 85,000. Look how big it is. There we go. So, and let's actually just drag it over here. So now when we've actually made a custom object as well, when we take one out of the list here, we can just go ahead and place a brand new one in to replace it in case we need it later in the episode. So, there you go. Done. So, that's good. Alright, so let's go back over here. So, we got the stats all correct on there. So, next up it is 3 times Venus. So, if we just get a normal Venus in here just to compare it with. So, we've got a normal Venus. So, Venus is 91.3 ATM. So, if you doubled that, it would be 180. And then if you tripled it, which he says 3 times Venus, it would be about 270. So, yeah, we'll just round it up to the closest number there. So, 270 ATM is about 3 times Venus's atmosphere. And the comment says 3 times Venus atmosphere. So, I've times Venus's atmosphere by 3. So, there we go. So, that's going to be a very, very hot planet. And then this needs to go to 22 because he wants it to reflect or absorb 78% of the light. So 78 add 22, that would make 100 if my math is correct. So I think it is, unless I'm being completely dumb and then I've just made a fool of myself. But oh well. So yeah, I think that's all correct. So low surface color is going to be black. Okay. So low elevation, let's go straight to black. Okay, this is going to look cool. It's like a volcanic sort of world. The high or medium surface is dark grey. So medium. Dark grey. So let's go over here somewhere. So somewhere like that. Okay, there we go. And then the high surface he said was yellow, a yellowy orange colour. So let's go ahead and make like a sort of gold colour since that's what we're going for. So the results are this. And then obviously so it doesn't look like the gold object, we're going to make it a gas giant just to give it a little more high elevation areas. So let's just keep going here until we can get one with a lot of high elevation. There we go. Something like that. So there's a little more gold on it. Let's also go on flashlight mode so we can just look around. Okay, let's do that again. I want to try and get as much like yellow bits shown as possible. So let's see here. Come on, game. Behave. Come on. There goes a bit more there. Okay, what if we just change that a little more yellow, I think. Just so it shows up more. There we go. That's looking good. So, not a fan. I really don't like that one. It just showed up. Okay, there we go. I think that has got a plenty of like yellowy sort of gold on it. So let's just make it a little more sort of gold sort of color. There we go. So it just fits with the atmosphere more. So right, so it says medium surface color is dark grey, which we've done. The bottom color is black, and then the high surface elevation is yellow or light orange. So that would make like a gold sort of color. So there we go. That's sort of a yellowy light orange. I guess we can make it a little more light in color. So something like that, I think is there you go. So that's Magnus, I believe is how you pronounce that. So yeah, like I said, sorry if I pronounce it wrong, and also if you want me to change it, just let me know and I will get around to it in a future video. So there you go. That is the first object done for today. So let's go ahead and save that, and there you go. It actually looks pretty cool. But this, once we put this in the simulation, this object will get very, very hot in temperature due to that ATM. Even though it only reflects 22% of light, it's that ATM is going to make it have a lot of heat on it. So that's going to be pretty crazy. All right. So what we got next? So let's see here. Okay. Can you make a white star and give it the mass and radius of one sun and call it Neap? Okay, that's a nice simple one. So white star, give it the mass and radius of the sun. Okay, so let's just go and get into a custom star here. So let's just let's use the smallest star ever. Or the smallest star currently discovered or currently known. So make it a mass of one sun, and then a radius of one sun. So radius to radius. Sun. There we go. Right, 1. Okay, that's gonna be a problem, is it? Okay, let's quickly move it over here. Let's actually get a sun just to compare the stats with. I just want to make sure the density is correct. So, okay, how much density is it? Sun. Click on the sun. There we go. So 1.37. So we need to make this. So 1.37 like that. Okay, now if we go to this, so mass. Sorry, so let's just do 1. And yeah, there we go. So 1 mass of sun. It's got 1 radius of sun. So yeah, the density helped me fix that up. So right, here we go. So now he said he wanted it as a white star. So we need to put it about 7,000 degrees, like that. Come on, 7,000. Come on, 7,000. Oh, this really doesn't want to work, does it? Come on, 7,000, please. Do I have to do it like this? Seriously? Okay, that's a white star now. But it seems it's changed the mass and stuff again. Damn it! So damn it, game. So still 1. So 1. Oh, come on now. Seriously, game? Why'd you have to do this to us? Okay, let me try that again. Let's just try it on a bigger star. Now, the stars are always so weird when you do this. It's really annoying. So let's just use it. Let's just use this star here. That's a similar size. So let's try that again. So delete you. So it's already pretty much got a mass of the sun. Let's put this to 1.37 like that. Then radius, we want 1 sun. And then temperature, 7,000, please work. There we go, that's what we want. So 7,000 degrees, that is a very, very white star. So that will blind you if you're watching this video in a dark room. So sorry about that. So yeah, now we've got that. So now we just need to name it. Let's see here, name it Neap. So like this, so N-E-E-P. And then put a space in front of it. So there we go. So now we save. And it will appear at the top of the list with the stars. Actually, we may make all of the stars cover up the top bar today. Actually, I think we will. Come on, scroll up. 2 more stars and we will fill up this whole section with stars. So Neap is, whereabouts it? There it is. So it's on the right hand side, top right now. So there's that done. So that's good. So let's just go and delete it for now, since we don't want it like affecting any of our planets we have currently spawned. So we'll get it out later if I remember, hopefully. So right, there we go. So there's all that. So now on to the next object. So let's see here. Do I publish videos every 2 days? Well, it just depends. I sort of upload when I feel like it, because my schedule is quite busy. So I just do it whenever I've got the time. So it's not really any specific amount of time. But it usually is every 1 to 3 days, somewhere around there. Okay, let's see here. Okay, let's see here. Okay, please edit the planet creation. Can you? Okay, so this is one from a previous episode. So can you take? It says take all the water off the planet. Okay, so it's just this is a edit we need to do. So let's go and get this planet back. So whereabouts are you? Come on, game. Where is it? Come on. Where is it? Is it saved? I definitely saved. I definitely always save objects. Where is it? Seriously, game? Where is it? Where'd it go? We missing it? Wait, did I spell it right? We missing one? Croatian. Let me go back to the comments on the previous video. Where's the idea for this? I definitely would have saved. I always save every object. This is pretty strange. Let me see if I can quickly try and find that. Oh, you can hear my voice. Go away, game. Okay, so let me just try and find this. That's really annoying, actually. I don't know what happened there. So let's go back. Okay, so it's not on the comments of episode 3, so it must be on the comments of episode 2. Then I'm hoping. So, wow, massive apologies for that, but I don't know what happened there. That's very strange. So let me just try and go in this again. Let me just scroll down here. Okay, let me try and find this. There's a lot of comments. It really adds a lot of weight in here. Okay, oh, so many. Maybe it was on the original episode then. Let's see here. I'm trying to find the original comment. If I can't find it, then that's me pretty weird. It's definitely a custom object, I think. So is it on the original episode I made this then? Interesting. So 5. Okay, so episode, the original episode. Okay, let's see on here. Is it on here? Come on. Let's see here. And this is really annoying. Game, why do you have to do this? So I definitely would have saved it. So I don't know what's up. Yeah, where'd it go? I don't see any comment for this in the first place. I don't know which video it's commented on. This, it was commented on one of the videos before I even started the series, which would be pretty interesting. So yeah, I really don't know what's up with that. So we may have to take a pass on that one for now. Yeah, the person who commented it, just leave a comment down below again. I'll remake it. That's very annoying, actually. I don't know what happened there. Well, mistakes happen. Can't always be perfect, sadly. So let's see here. I'm just looking back on all of the previous episodes where we've made custom objects, and I cannot see any comment with the planet name of Croat with that. So this name here, I can't find anything. Is it a lowercase c? Is it somewhere? So CR. There's nothing here. I don't know where it is. Unless it's here in the main list of objects. Yeah, I'm sorry, but it doesn't seem like I have it. And have I made this object before? I literally cannot remember. There's just too many. So we're gonna have to pass on that. So yeah, sorry about that, guys, but I tried. Yeah. So the person who commented that, can you just please comment the idea of the planet again? And I'll remake it in my own time, and I will make it and then I'll show it off in the next episode, because yeah, that kind of sucks. Okay. So yeah, that sucks. Alright, okay, so let's see what we've got here. So we're on the comments for. Okay, so we're on episode 3 comments. Okay, so let's go all the way down here. We're nearing the end of these comments, which is good. So, okay, make a random planet with colours red, blue, and white. Name it United States of America. Okay. Oh, I thought you were going to say England or UK, because that's where I'm from. So USA, make it the size 4,120, and then radius of that. Okay. Wait, make it size 4,000, radius of. Oh, okay, that's right. Okay, and then mass is 1 Earth. You could make the atmosphere blue. Okay, so we'll go with the regular blue here. So let's do that. So he wants me to call it United States of America. So apparently America has its own planet now. So like that. Okay, there we go. That's what you wanted me to do. So I'm gonna do it. So So 2,107 in radius. So 2107 like that. So it makes it a little smaller. Then we want the mass of a Earth. So mass of a Earth, so lock that and go to Earth. So go one Earth like that. Okay. Then let's see here. So I've done that, and then he wants me to just make it red, white, and blue. So let's go red up there, white, and then it's already blue here. But actually, since there's a blue atmosphere, let's switch this color to blue, and then have that as red, like that. So that's like a red, white, and blue sort of color. You can't really have all the colors showing the same amount, because the blue color is the hardest one, but something like that maybe. I guess that's probably the closest we can do for this. So yeah, there's your America sort of planet. Yeah, so there you go. What do you think of that? I can always change it, like I say, but if there's anything wrong with this, then yeah, I think that's fine. So let's go ahead and do that. Let's save that. So now we've got the United States of America. So there's that done. Okay, so Okay, so I've got another one here. So this is some episode 3 as well. So, oh god. So let's see here. So a planet called Kerbin. Apparently it's from the Kerbal Space Program game. I don't know. I've never played it, but apparently it is. So let's see here. Go back to the comments. So edit this planet to look like Earth because the planet Kerbin is some Kerbal Space Program. You can see images for it for reference. Okay, let me just search that up. So Kerbal Space Program. And then Kerbal like that. Where is it? Kerbin, there we go. So that's Kerbin. Okay, because Kerbin, so what does it look like? So, it literally does look like, it pretty much is an Earth. Okay, so how are we going to do this? So we just need to give it Earth colours then. So let's go and find this thing. So, Kerbin. So there's Kerbin. Yeah, see, like I do usually save the objects. I don't know what happened with that. The Croatia, I'm really sorry I can't pronounce it. Yeah, just the person who originally left the idea, just comment it again and I will do it as soon as I can. And then I'll show it in the next video to show I've done it. So, okay. So, let's go do this. And then make it look like Earth. So, we need to add water then, I'm guessing, since the pictures did have water. So, let's go ahead and do that. And then, let's go and add some, let's leave that as white. Then we'll make this a sort of green land colour. So, let's go like that. Okay, there we go. And then this colour, maybe is a yellow, maybe? Something like that. And then temperature we'll put to 30 degrees. And then when we put it in a simulation, it will warm up for us. So let's go ahead and do this as well. Add a bit more water to it. So something like that. What do you guys think of that? Does that look good? And then obviously there is an atmosphere on here as well. We need to add, so let's go ahead and do that. There we go. So that's pretty similar to Earth, I'd say. So let's just make it... Oh, there we go. They've got water on it now. So what do you think of that? It's definitely Earth-like, but we can't make it exactly like Earth since Earth is a custom texture. But I think on the whole that looks pretty good. So yeah, let's go ahead and save that. And there you go. So there's that. That object's now updated. So there we go. All right, what we got next? So, oh, we got a meteor request. Okay, so create a meteor called Avenger meteor. The mass would be 0.001 lunar masses. Is this from the Avenger superhero? Oh no, it's called average meteor. Sorry, I thought it said Avenger. I was like, hang on. So let's just get a brand new meteor here. So, meteor. So no one's requested a meteor before, so let's go ahead and do that. Where, meteor, where are you? Come on, meteor. There you go. Oh, and it's not Naskaski again. Always this object. All right. So average meteor. So. Okay, let's go ahead and paste that in. So, but since this is a meteor, that means I'm going to have to put it at the very bottom of my list here. So, we need to put an underscore in front of it just to keep it organized. So, like that. Okay, so now let's see here. So, it had moon mass. So it's 0.001 lunar mass. So, 0.001, like that. So, there we go. Okay, what we got next? The size would be 80 kilometers in diameter. So 40 for radius. So let's turn that off, lock this, put that to 40, like that. So it makes it a little smaller. Still a circular shaped object, which is pretty cool. Color you can pick. Well, since it's so small, you can't really pick colors for these unless we make it all water or something. But yeah, this won't work. So we can't really add any color to it. So we'll just leave it the way it is with the structure. And then 60% iron, 40% silicate. So let's go ahead and do that. So 60 iron. Let's try and get that perfectly spot on, hopefully. So let's just lower this. Okay, so 60. There we go, 60, 40, and there you go. So anything else? Temperature minus 273. So yeah, it's already pretty much that temperature. So save, and there you go. Easy. All right, nice one. Okay, let's see here. Okay, so make a gas giant that has a 15 radius, so 15 Jupiter radius, 10 massive Jupiter, make it grey and kind of close, and make a moon that has 5 Earth masses and 8 Earth radius, 95% iron, 5% water. You can give the moon a name or use my YouTube username. Oh, it's Cannon Cart from Clash Royale, and Clash of Clans as well. Username, that also has a moon orbit. So we're not making a system yet, but we can make the planet and the moon. So let's see here. So make a gas giant that's 15 radius of Jupiter, make grey and name it kind of closer. It says make a gas giant of Jupiter, make grey and name it kind of close. So we call it kind of close. It says name it kind of close. I guess that's what we're calling it, unless I'm reading this wrong. But from the way I see this comment, it says make grey and name it kind of close. Okay, so we need to get a grey gas giant. Okay, so we have to do a few random spawns. So I already do have a or a grey gas giant, but I don't want to just rip off designs I already have, because otherwise we'll get objects looking the same. So looks like we're gonna have to go into some random gas giants for a bit and try and get a grey sort of coloured one. So, oh, is that one there? Okay, there's one there. It looks pretty interesting. So, any more grey ones we could try? Let's see here. Anything? We'll give us some round. Give us some good colours. Let's see here. That one's nah, it's not grey. Let's do this. That. Oh, some nice and blue looking ones here. Definitely not the best though. We've got way better ones before. Wait, damn it. Actually, this one here, I think. Actually, no, that looks. No, it's not grey at all. Nah, that's gonna be. This is gonna be really annoying. Try and get a grey one. So let's go that. Come on, give us a grey one. Yeah, getting gas giants all in one colour is not a fun process. Like, this is what I do to try and get new colours, and it is not fun. Especially when the game doesn't really generate like planets all in one colour anymore. What about that? I know it's got a bit of green on it and blue, but can we roll with that? Like, because I don't want to be doing this forever. So, what about something like that? Does that look good? I get it's mostly grey, so yeah. Okay, we'll roll with this, I think. So let's do that. So then it said, okay, so 15 radius of Jupiter and 10 masses of Jupiter. So Jupiter mass, we'll go 10 masses of Jupiter to begin with. So 10, and radius we want 15 Jupiters. So, well, this is gonna be huge then. So lock 15. Yeah, that's huge. This is gonna be like this will probably turn to a brown dwarf when we place it in the system. This is larger than the largest exoplanet, I think. Yeah, it is. Look at that. That's as big. This is as big as the sun, I think. It's bigger than the sun. Yeah, this isn't gonna work. This is gonna turn into a brown dwarf straight away if we place it in a simulation. So yeah, that's a very, very big object. It's 1,000,000 kilometers. That's pretty crazy. So make it grey. Name it kind of close. So that's the name apparently. So there's that. And make a moon that has 5 Earth masses and 8 Earth radius. So, okay, he doesn't say any specifications to the moon. So we're going to go ahead and use one of the new objects I've made for these systems. So we're going to go and use dark brown. So let's do that. Place that there. Yeah, we're going to use this for the moon. So then we'll just we'll use your username. We'll call it Cannon Cart. Cannon Cart. So Cannon. Damn it. Cannon Cart. Like that. Damn it. There we go. Right, Cannon Cart. So then it says 95% iron, 5% water. So this will be a water world anyway. So 95% iron. So let's go all the way up there. So that's pretty much 95. Let's get rid of the silica, add a bit of water on it. So let's do that. So let's just put it to 5% if it will work. Come on. Okay, 590. So that's what they want. Like that. We can also put it to a warmer temperature as well. So let's just put it to 40 degrees. But 40, not 40 degrees. I'll just do 50 then. Add a bit of hydrogen. Still a frozen planet, dang it. Okay, so so radius 9%, 95% iron, 5% water. Give them. Okay, so there we go. So that is that done. So yeah, there you go. That's literally what it asked me to do. So there we go, saved. So there's that, and then the gas giant as well. Let's save you. That is very big though. That is no way gonna survive as a planet. That's definitely turned into a brown dwarf. So okay, then we've got next. Okay, so next thing is I want a green planet, a green and golden planet that has a radius of 2 Earth and the atmosphere blue, and 1 Earth, and call it Cordy. Okay, so let's get that. Okay, and that is the last comment for the 3rd episode. So we can move on to the 4th episode today, which will be pretty cool. So that's good, and we're almost half an hour in, so we can do a few more ideas on the next episode. So we're making progress here. So okay, so green and golden planet. And it has to have a blue atmosphere. Okay, so this will be pretty interesting. So let's go ahead and just delete all these stupid gas giants. So let's get rid of you. Okay, we got rid of that one apparently. So delete you. Let's go all the way back down here. Okay, so blue. So we need to get a blue one. So let's just move that out of the way. So actually, should we go with dark blue? They did say blue, but blue is blue. So yeah, let's use this one. So yeah, I think the dark blue will look better with the orange anyway. So they want so it was a green and gold planet. So radius of 2 Earth. So let's go and do that first actually. So radius, let's go with 2 Earths like that. There we go. So that makes it 15 in mass. Okay, it doesn't say anything about mass, which is good. So we can do that the way it is. Okay, Okay, so Cordy, so let's go give that a capital letter as well. Like so. Atmosphere blue, 1 Earth. Okay, radius of 2 Earth and the atmosphere blue. Call it Cordy. Okay, so green and gold is all we need to do now. So let's do it. So green. There we go. That's not really going to add much on. Let's make it a gas giant just to change it up a bit. There we go. Something like that. So green and gold. So let's get some gold in here. So there we go. That's more like a gold sort of colour. Ooh, that's looking good. And then another green like that. Ooh, that actually looks really cool. Actually, that's a nice object. Okay, so it's like a that reminds me of like a savannah sort of colour, something like that. The mixture, something like that maybe. So there you go. That's looking. I actually do like that one. That's pretty cool. So yeah, green and gold like so. There we go. Actually, let's just make it a little more green. So it's looking good. A little more green. Let's make it a little darker. Yeah, something like that. What do you think of that? Looking good? So we've got it as Cordy. So let's go ahead and save and then add that. Because it doesn't say anything about adding water to it. So there we go. That is all that done. So that is all of episode 3's comments done, I believe. So yeah, there's that. So let's go to episode 4's comments now. So yeah, we're making progress. We're catching up. So episode 4. Okay, how many comments are on here? So let's see here. Oh, okay, my voice again. No, so 41 comments on here. Whew, that's a lot. Okay, so let's see here. Come on. Okay, so it's just looking for the. There's not really much comments on this one. I think this is when I said hold off on the ideas, so there's probably not going to be too many on here, which is good. So we can get through these comments quite quick. Make a blood moon planet. Okay, that's easy. The planet's name is red, and he already has it. So do you want me to just use the red planet and call it Blood Moon and make it the radius and size of the moon, maybe? Something like that. So if it's based off the moon, then it wouldn't have an atmosphere, so it would just be red. So be like that. Then we call it Blood Moon. Like I said, if you want me to change it, just let me know. So Blood Moon. Then I'll obviously make it the radius and mass of a moon, since that's what it would be. So it's already got that. Then 1 moon. Okay, so dang it. Okay, then 1 moon like that. So mass of moon, radius of moon, and it's a red moon. So Blood Moon, right? Is that good? So yeah, completely red. So yeah, if you want me to change it, just let me know. But yeah, we'll roll off that for now, since that's pretty much it. So there's that. Okay, make a star called J5645 or 56541. Okay. So, oh, this has got some interesting stats. So this is going to be a blue star, it looks like. Okay, so, ooh, all right. So let's go and just get another star to base it off of. So, let's go here. Okay, let's just base it off of this star. Actually, no. Let's just go with the E again. This was the best one to use. Let's go here. Okay. So it was 0.9 suns in radius, so 0.9, so it pretty much already is that. So 0.9 in radius, so that's its size. Its mass will be 1.3 suns, so let's do that. So 1.3 suns, there we go. Let's make it a little more mass. Age is, oh, that's a very specific age, so about 4,100,000 years, so let's put that in there, like that. Oh no, it needs to be regular years. Years, there we go. So let's do that. There we go. Or just, what are you doing there? Okay, so I'll just put it to 4 mil then. Million years. So it's about 4.1 million years, it said. So, hey, it changed all my stats again. What are you doing here, game? So, 1.3 it was like that. Okay. So there's that. So 1.3, 0.9 radius. 50, is that 50? And that's 500,000 in temperature. So it's very hot. So 500. So 1, 2, 3 like that. So there we go. It's a blue star now. So 5501 brightness. So 5501 like that. Whoa, what? Game, what was that? Seriously? That's not cool, man. What was that? That's just seriously? That always does things like that. What is that? That's not cool, man. So there, sun, so 0.9. Okay, let's try that again. So the age sort of goofed it up, I think, but let's just do 4 million years. Yeah, the 4 million years, that changing the age goofed it up as well. That's quite annoying. Stop messing my stuff. So 0.9. Okay, there we go. That's what we want. Then this was 500,000. So like that. Then the luminosity was 4,000. So about 4,000. Okay, there we go. So 4,000. And the 5,500. So 5501, I think it said. And it just goofed it again. Seriously, game, why can't you just cooperate? 5501 brightness. So we've done that. And it's sort of goofed this up again. So 500,000. Okay, there we go. So that's locked. So then we go 0.9. That's what we want. So then it's all that. So then density is 700. I really don't want to touch the density. There isn't even an option for Jupiter's, so I don't know what to put in. So we'll just leave it the way it is. And then rotation 145 Earth days. So let's go 145 like that. Okay, there we go. And the name of the object is J. So there we go. Okay, so let's go ahead and paste that in there. And there we go. So let's put a space in front and save. There we go. So there's that star done. That was a nightmare to make, wasn't it? Damn. Okay, so so then let's see here. It should be here somewhere. So where is it? Come on, game. It's a blue star. It should be here, nice and easy. Come on. Where you at? Save again, just in case. There we go. Where is it? Come on. Show it to us. It's not down here. Where is it? I need to search it up. What the heck? Why is it not saving? Come on, save. What is this? This is very strange. This is very, 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 very strange. So if I call it, so J, if I just write it manually, so then it's 565 or 56. See, 565441 like that. What about that? Is that gonna work? There we go, and then just do that. Is it gonna appear now? Come on, game. What are you doing? There you go. There it is. So I'm guessing that's linked to these planets as well. So where did it save it originally? Oh, it's that's there. Okay. Where did the original one save? I don't know. What happened to the original one? That is very, very peculiar. Yeah, it doesn't seem to appear here. I don't know what happened to the first one we saved. That is very strange. So we only need one more star to fill up this bar now. So there we go. So there's that star done. All right. So let's do a few more ideas. So okay, so this is going back to this video as well, so let's see here. Oh, is this going back to the fart planet? I think it is. Let's see here. Okay, so this is the fart planet. So he says, now to think of it, I don't want it to be green. The planet actually fits what I think the fart planet... Wait, oh, wow. Now that I think of it, I don't want it to be green. The planet actually fits what I think the fart planet should look like. Wait, what? I don't... Wait, it says, I don't want it to be green. The planet actually fits what I think the fart planet should look like. Do you want me to change it? I don't really understand what you mean there. You say, I don't want it to be green, but it is a green gas giant. I don't know. You're gonna have to. If you want me to change it, just let me know. Like, tell me actually what I need to do. So, can you make a star with the mass and radius of one sun and call it Neap? We've done that already. How do you get the pink atmosphere? So, yeah, this is before we even saw that special white coloured pink. So, to get a pink atmosphere, you basically get a Mars, you make it a gas giant, you take the gas, you take all the hydrogen off it, and then you save it in the custom objects, then you spawn a new one in, and then you can change the colour of the surface while still having the pink atmosphere. So that's how you do it. So if you want me to make a guide on it, just let me know, but it'll be a very quick video. Okay, so that's that. Okay, any more comments in here? Let's see here. Oh wow, there's a ton of comments from the same guy here. This is pretty crazy. Okay, let's see here. Okay, oh wow, there's so many here. Okay, yeah, we'll probably get through all these since there's a ton of update or comments from one guy here. So, take an Earth and flood it with water until only the very high mountain ranges available. So that'd be like the Himalayas, and name it Nocean Earth. The story is that 100 years in the future, the world was flooded with lots of water due to climate change. Anyways, a guy named Noah decided to set out and save all the rain people on Earth. He created the ship. It's just like that Noah's Ark thing in the Bible or something. I don't know. I'm not really know much about that, but yeah, they landed on the planet in Trappist system and named it Earth 2.0. Story might be similar to the Noah flood in the Bible. Oh, it did say for you. Okay, so what's the Bible thing? So that's where I got it from. So we need to get a normal Earth and flood it. So let's go ahead and do that. So the highest mountain ranges will be visible. So that'd be like the Himalayas, the Alps, stuff like that. So let's go to the Earth down here and then flood it. So let's just go ahead and just hide all that quick so we can see everything and then flood. So It's the highest mountain ranges. So that'll be, yeah, there's the Himalayas there. You can see. Let's just turn this off. There we go. So yeah, that's all mountainous area there. You can see the outline of some of the countries still as well. So there we go. These are the highest mountains. So yeah, Mount Everest is probably one of these. And that's pretty much it. The Himalayas are the highest land in the planet. So yeah, there's that. We'll show a bit more. Where's the Alps? We want the Alps to show up in Europe again. Come on. Come on, where are the Alps at? Wow, this really doesn't want to work, does it? The Alps are here. They should. You can see them there. Are they gonna? Yeah, they're the Alps. You can see that this area here. This is the Alps, I think. So let's see what like that. Would we flood it a bit more? Yeah, it really doesn't. The Alps really aren't that tall apparently. So we'll have a bit of a show. We've got all the Himalayas there. But yeah, there you go. That's mostly a flooded Earth. And we've also got some of the mountains in Argentina down the south. Some in America as well. Somehow Greenland's still around, which is pretty cool. Antarctica's still there as well. So yeah, we'll leave it like that. And name it Nocean Earth, I think is how you say that. So let's go ahead and save that like that. So there we go. And then Nocean Earth, like that. There we go. So let's do that, and there you go. So there's that done. See that? Okay. Oh my! More comments from the same guy. So, oh wow, there's so many. Make a star named NT 2947899. The star is 2.5 solar masses and 1 AU in radius. Temperatures 576,000. Okay, so that's pretty much the same as the sun. Age, if you want, 13.8 billion years old. And then there's two planets. So we'll make the star, and then we'll continue with the planets next episode. Because yeah, this is above half an hour now, or 40 minutes now. Wow, time flies. So yeah, okay, so let's make this star. So let's just search if it's in the game or not. I'm guessing it isn't, but you never know. So search it. Is this a real star? No, that doesn't seem like it is. Okay, so what's the radius of this going to be? So 2.5 solar masses and 1 AU in radius. This is going to be a hypergiant sort of star then, with very low mass. So let's base it off this star. So this is quite a bright one, or big one. So let's see here. So AU. So we need to make it a lot bigger actually. So 1 AU in radius. So size of an Earth orbit. There we go. Oh wow, that's big. So there we go. Then the surface temperature was 5775, I think. So it's pretty much the temperature of the sun. Okay, and then so what was the mass? The mass was 2.5 suns. So lock that. So we'll go 2.5 like that. Then the age was 13 billion. What is it? 13 billion years. 13.8 billion years. So let's go to so 13, and then we've got 100,000, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million, a billion, so 1.3, so like that. So that's 1.3 billion. So we need to add another zero on that to make it 13 billion. Okay, we may have to take a pass on the age. It looks like age today, when you add age to stars, it completely messes them up. So yeah, don't ask for age of stars. Bad things happen, as you clearly saw there. So 2.5, there we go. Okay, so yeah, I won't change the age. So yeah, it says if you want. So yeah, we'll take a pass on that. So temperature is 5776. So it's 5776. So 5776. I think that's 5776. Come on, 5776. Wow, this really doesn't want to work, does it? Come on, if we just put it to 3,000, then now it works. 5776. This really doesn't want to work, does it? This is really annoying. If we just do that then, wait for it to go up to a similar number. Come on, that's really annoying. This is stupid. Come on, what is this? So 5776. But this does not want to work. So the closest we can get is 5779, because it literally will not work. And it changed again. Come on, 57. No, it doesn't want to work at all. Wow, that is really annoying. So that's pretty much the closest we can get. So it's changing again. So 2.5 suns in mass. Yeah, this is really buggy for some reason. Star creations. Luminosity is 100 suns. Please do not goof it up. 100. Oh, you come on. No, why? That's so annoying. Why does it have to do that? Okay, let's just base it off of not a hypergiant already then. If we do that. So 1 AU, turn it off, then we go lock that, 2.5, then it's 5776. Oh, okay, this is just having a joke. Come on. Seriously? That's 3 times in a row it's done that. What if we use Cypher? Maybe that'll work since this is already a custom start. I don't even know. This is really stupid. 1 AU. And we want to lock the mass. Then we go to, yeah, so 2.5 suns. There we go. Temperature is very high, so 5776. Is this number cursed or something? Like, 5776. This just doesn't want to work. If I just... Then we go 5776. This number's cursed. It literally will not do it. What is going... Look at the mass. The mass is just broken. What is going on with this? This is really buggy for some reason. 2.5. They need to make it so you can lock mass and radius at the same time. That would be useful. Whoa, what? 5776. Okay, there we go. Now we need to make it 1 AU again. Okay, there we go. Okay, so paste that in. We're just gonna go. I'm gonna go ahead and save this now, just in case it does pop. So let's do that. Okay, so okay, I think that's everything actually. 2.5. We've done the radius. We've done the temperature. We've done. Wait, so luminosity is the last thing. Okay, luminosity is almost 100 already. Please work. 100. There we go. Now save and quit. Quit that. There we go. So now it should be in our list here of objects, which it is. Okay, there we go. Right, that's done. Finally, that was so frustrating. Why is it? That's so annoying. Damn, I'm going to report that as a bug. Star creations are so buggy. But yeah, and then there's 2 planets to add, which we'll start with next episode. So yeah, that does it for this video, guys. So hopefully you enjoyed. Make sure you did leave a like, subscribe for more. If you've got any more ideas for objects, feel free to leave them down below with the new custom colours I have added into our little set of objects here. So if we just go down here. Yeah, so if you've got any suggestions for any of the new colours here, like so these 3 here, and then the dark brown at the very end, yeah, just let me know. Make sure you say light pink or dark brown, or if you want a Venus or a Titan atmosphere, yeah, please specify, otherwise I'll just assume you're doing one of the normal colours or something. So yeah, there's that for today's episode. And also apologies to the guy where the planet I couldn't find for some reason. I don't know if I made it before, like, because the game seems to think I haven't made it, but maybe I did make it and didn't save it. But it's not like me not to save, so I don't know what's up there unless I'm being trolled. So I don't know. I don't know. Yeah, but this Croatian planet, like, what is this? Is this name here? Have I made anyone? Does anyone remember if I've made a name on this before? Shut up, me. Yeah. Does anyone remember if I've made a planet with this name before? Because it doesn't seem to be popping up, and I do always save the object, so I don't know what is up here. Because I use them for thumbnails as well, so I don't know what is up here. Have I made this object, or am I just being trolled? Yeah, let me know. But apologies if I have made the object and it's not here. Just send the suggestion again and I'll remake it. So yeah, that is that. But anyways, enough of the negative stuff. Yeah, that is it for today's video. So make sure you guys all have a great day. Subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.